Connecting Ecwid to CJ Dropshipping allows you to streamline your dropshipping operations by integrating product sourcing and order fulfillment. Here's how to set it up. Create accounts. Ensure you have active accounts on both Ecwid and CJ Dropshipping. If you don't have an account on CJ Dropshipping, sign up at CJ Dropshipping. Access CJ Dropshipping. Log into your CJ Dropshipping account and go to the settings section. Get the Ecwid API key. In your Ecwid dashboard, navigate to Settings API. Generate an API key if you haven't done so already. This key will allow CJ Dropshipping to access your store. Connect CJ Dropshipping to Ecwid. Back in CJ Dropshipping, find the integration settings and select Ecwid as your platform. Enter the API key obtained from Ecwid. Import products. After successfully connecting, browse CJ Dropshipping's product catalog. Select the products you want to sell and import them to your Ecwid store. Configure shipping and fulfillment. Set up shipping methods and fulfillment preferences in CJ Dropshipping to ensure orders are processed efficiently. Start selling. With your Ecwid store connected to CJ Dropshipping, you can now promote your products and begin fulfilling customer orders seamlessly.